Thank you very much for joining us for the DCC UCS Configuring Cisco Unified Compute Systems course outline. So what is our target audience here for the course? Folks, if you are provisioning hardware, racking and stacking, cabling server hardware, or from a server administrator perspective, you may want to sit this course. Also, anybody who's going to be managing network connectivity and VLAN configuration from the servers to the network is also a prime candidate. Likewise, with the system engineers, we're looking at people who are installing operating systems such as VMware, ESXi, Hyper-V, or KVM from Linux. Any operating system, including the hypervisor operating systems. Also, network administrators looking for troubleshooting and maintenance for network connectivity issues. And also any storage administrators looking to get a little bit more information on how the UCS system provisions storage and applies storage. The prerequisites for this course are general knowledge of servers, routing and switching, storage area networking and server virtualization, and also we want you to be familiar with routing and switching with the CCNA or the defund course. But again, you need to take that DCI UCS course to get a fairly good understanding of the unified compute system itself. So the key benefits that we're going to get from this course is, first and foremost, instead of just implementation and maintenance, this course actually delves very deep into configuration and troubleshooting. So we're going to really dive deep into the B and C series server configurations. Also, we're going to talk about service profiles way more in depth, and also service profile templates to make your life a lot easier. And then we're going to jump way more in depth on the UCS manager and not only just configuration, but from a troubleshooting perspective. And just like the last course, you folks are going to get hands-on practice with industry standard data center equipment and software. And hopefully we can use that information to prepare you for a new or existing job. Now, some key technologies that we're going to discuss. As I mentioned before, we're going to be talking about the Cisco UCS B and C series server hardware. What's the CPU and memory requirements and capabilities, and what's the hardware and hard drive capabilities of the B and C series servers. We'll also be talking about the difference in managing the B and C series servers. With that being said, we're going to get into the fabric interconnects and utilizing the UCS manager for administration of the B and C series servers. But the things that we talk about the most is service profiles and service profile templates. Service profiles for hardware identity that we can move from one server to another, and then the service profile templates that allow us to template one profile and use it many times. We're also going to get into storage allocation for servers, not only just for boot from SAN configurations, if that's what you're looking for, but we also discuss local RAID configurations. And then one of the last things we discuss here is the VLAN and vSAN, or the networking and storage networking configurations. For our related training products, we do offer the DCI UCS, which is the prereq for this course. But we also offer two other very important courses. So the HyperFlex and ACI courses, those two are more for if you would like to learn about what else we can run on UCS. The other one here is the UCS Director. The UCS Director is going to give you a base foundation. The UCS Director Foundations course will give you a base foundation of what UCS Director is and how we can use it to manage multiple data centers. And then the designing and deploying is giving you the capability of building out things like workflows to make automation and design much easier across multiple data centers. The last thing here is the related certifications with our DC Core, DCACI. These two courses are really for people who are looking for data center introductions, not just from a data center perspective, but also from an application-centric infrastructure perspective. If you're looking for storage, we do have the DCMDS course. And if you're looking for automating your data center with some UCS components, we can take a look at the DCAUI course. Thank you very much.